this is going to be just a real quick, short one. I just wanted to get you guys a little something out before Christmas. And this is it. Speaking of Christmas, I had a company called Flash Shark jump on board with me, get me a little something for my 3,500 Cummins. And this is it. And before you guys jump in the comment sections, be like, yeah, Flash Shark is an off-brand company, you know? Back in China. Shut up. First and foremost, this company was kind enough to jump on board with me and hook me up with a very, very fat discount for parts that are going to definitely benefit me when I have the time to install them. As where most other companies don't even have the respect. I'm choking. Don't even have enough respect to respond to you. So, thank you, Flash Shark, for hooking me up with this stuff. And when I have the time to install it and get a tuner, which is getting harder and harder to do, this stuff's going to be awesome. But what we have in this box is this is an EGR delete kit. Again, this is for my 3500 Ram Cummins. So, yeah, I'm not going to install this stuff right now. I'm just trying to get you guys out a little something. So this is going to come with, I can get it out of the bag, all the plumbing, all the hardware, and all of the plates that you need to delete your EGR system. So here's just a little bracket, and then we've got another. Really, it's nice quality. It really is. Nice little block plate with O-rings. A couple more block plates. And then just a little more hardware. And so this is going to be a pretty easy, straightforward install. Again, not doing it today. I'll get into why I haven't done it yet here in just a minute. But let's check out what's in the other box. This box is the one that I'm actually really excited about. I don't know if any of you guys on my channel own any newer diesels and have to deal with the nightmares that death causes. Your diesel particulate filter and having to run that fluid death is a freaking nightmare for multiple reasons. A, it's nasty and corrosive. B, it's expensive. Like, depending on where you get it, it can be like up to $5 a gallon. Or if you buy it in a jug from the fuel station, you're looking at almost $8 a gallon. And while your exhaust is regenning or cleaning that filter, you can lose like 4 miles per gallon on top of the 4 miles per gallon that you're losing the filter being there in the first place. So, what we have here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. So this obviously, it's got the V-band on it. It's going to connect to your turbo. Run down where your particulate filter is. And we're going to delete that. And then we just got, I'm on the Cadillac, so I don't want to scratch it. Then we just got 2 little straight pipe sections. And that's it. So this, much like the EGR delete, we come with brackets too. Did we even come with brackets? The clamps? We did. Look at that. We even got surprisingly nice quality exhaust clamps. That makes me super happy. So hell yeah. Hell yeah. And again, we're not installing this right now. It being the holidays, I have family stuff to do. I've been spread very, very thin, which is why I've not kicked the video out. Apparently, I'm dying. Gonna make it? I'm gonna make it. Anyway, been crazy busy. Been a rough couple weeks. I haven't even been in the garage. About lost my thumb in the last video. But again, thank you, Flash Shark, for jumping on board, taking a chance with me, and hooking me up. I have little to no money in this entire kit, and with a tune, which if you're thinking about deleting your diesel, I would do that ASAP, way sooner than later. The main reason I don't have this done yet is my buddy Sean, who normally helps me do all my diesel stuff, runs HB tuners. So he was gonna tune this for me. And then he got a notification from them stating that it will be a federal offense, and they are no longer supporting the deleting of emissions on diesels. So now he is worried about doing that for me. There are a handful of other tuners that you can buy. I just didn't, because initially when I purchased these items, I had him, and now he can't do it. So now I have to either find a tuner, if you are one, hit your boy up, or purchase a tuner, and those be kind of expensive. And then you may be asking, why? What's the purpose of deleting this stuff? And like I just explained with the exhaust, you're losing like 4 to 8 miles per gallon with that particulate filter in place. Not to mention like $4 to $8 per gallon of diesel exhaust fluid. And as you know, opening up an exhaust, you can gain quite a bit of power. I've seen deleted trucks, they'll do a 60 horsepower tune up to like 150 horsepower tune, which is dramatic. Again, it's my tow pig. I don't want to push it to that power level and risk breaking things. I think like a nice like 50 horse tow tune, and I've got that RevMax billet valve body in the transmission too. So I think just a 50 horse basic simple tow tune, and then bumping up the pressure in that RevMax is going to put me right where I want to be, and I'll be gaining probably 4 miles per gallon, not have to worry about buying DEF anymore. It's just an all-around huge benefit. And then as far as the EGR goes, these can plug up, they can leak, and they recirculate unburnt exhaust back into your engine. So your oil change intervals are going to be shorter, your head and valve train is going to get all corroded. This is going to eliminate that from happening. So there's definitely a benefit of doing this. And for all the people who are like, no, emissions, blah, 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 blah. Did you not hear anything I just said? That you were pumping unburned exhaust back into your truck, lowering the performance of the truck, corroding the truck, blowing more soot through your combustion system. How is that better for the economy, the ecosystem, when your truck is running worse, making less power, requiring more fuel to drive less miles? How does that make any sense? And have you ever seen diesel exhaust fluid? It's the most nasty, acidic, corrosive shit I have seen in my entire life. And your filter dumps all that stuff out the tailpipe of the exhaust anyways. So again, I ask you, how is all this stuff actually beneficial? I personally don't believe that it is. When you're making power more efficiently, getting significantly better fuel mileage, less oil change intervals, less maintenance, less leakage, less. To me, it's just another scam, but that's my personal opinion. But that's it, guys. Again, I'm not installing it. Flash Shark, thanks you. I can't talk. I'm dying in this episode. Thank you, Flash Shark, for jumping on board with me. I genuinely appreciate this. If you want to send me a tune or two, your boy will take it. Hint, hint. Anyway, hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. I will hopefully get you another episode out before the end of the year. But if not, Happy New Year. Deuces.